You know I cold man, we out here though.
Up the same also there, don't Western Nigger side.
In the realest way, though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know, I finally get a chance to really ask you a few questions as it relates to music, especially a person who come from Montego Bay and been doing music for quite some time as a Montegonian.
For real, for real.
I think me have enough knowledge can talk based on the fact say you have been a very instrumental part of what is happening in Montego Bay. And the honest truth is, me not think people really give the glory why you rightfully earn. And that I want to talk about.
Well, I you for said, you know. I you for said, you know. You see me, self-praise is no recommendation. We've been a do the work from a long time. You know, and we work, been a speak for itself, you see me? Yeah, man.
When I just started do this music, I can recall there are studio you came there with your song on a CD just for them to listen to the music and they were actually denying you. Like, you know, deserve their ears. Them now see the diamond in the rock. I see you persevere through all of that.
No studio door no close for me after cause I have my own avenue. You see me? From left high school, you know. I just start develop my own thing and buy my own equipment them cause I know me used to go through in a high school. You see me when them lock the studio door. You see me, so from left high school we have our own thing and I learn the craft and I teach yourself the whole industry from recording to mixing to video production, you see me?
Because of all you had to persevere. Each time there was a stumbling block in your way, you found a way to overcome that stumbling block, and by doing that it put you through this masterclass, sharpening your skill every step of the way.
I say going work what we do over the years, you know, people just say give credit where credit really forgive, you see me? Because a whole heap are responsible for a whole heap the talent upbringing every one of the young youths them from Mobay. You know, I think one of the only youth me never record from the Mobay side is Squash, but everybody else, every one of the youth them, you know, me have a significant role when I play in the molding of their career, you see me? So, you know, and
this is a Justin Blake YouTube channel endorsement.
It's the new Brother Gary Show.
Good morning, morning.
Bro Gary Radio Show.
And one thing about our radio show, a real show.
Real Caribbean vibes.
And it's not lie. Woman easy to trick me, but me not take long to find out.
Christian, oriented, interactive, informative.
And that's the reason why I asked.
Praise the Almighty God.
Real Caribbean vibes. Bro Gary Radio Show. Subscribe to Bro Gary YouTube channel. A link is provided in the description section below.
Everything you do for me, you calculate like a maths. You build me from lock up, everybody hear that. You know, talk to me face, you want talk behind me back. When you did a suffer like that, me keep it unlocked. Effortless a while ago, you know. Effortless a while ago.
when I say the youth them not give it strength and give it respect same way, but the people them feel to acknowledge the high contribution where Chilando put in place.
I feel like too much people been hiding it for far too long now, and a time for Jamaica, or at least the diaspora, where music and our genre is concerned. Really and truly you deserve that, you.
We just have to do what we have to do, continue putting in the work and make the work speak for itself. You see me? Because at the end of the day, them still go link with the work, still go come at the studio, come record. You know, we work speak for itself still, you see me? So most time we just have to keep it business. Make sure so the paperwork so the thing cover, so you know, say alright then at the end of the day you have it in writing. You don't really watch the hype more while, you know, the limelight thing more while. Just make sure so the legal aspect of business, because it's a business. Make sure that section they sort out, and at that I don't want to keep myself comfortably in my zone still. You see me?
In the realest way.
Yeah, man.
I truth in a realest way. So what go on in the evening, because as you can see in the backdrop, you know, there somewhere in Jamaica, I enjoy the scenic beauty of the beach.
To be honest, we just go and keep safe on the corona thing. But that's easy, you see me?
Far for everybody.
Yeah, far for everybody. We just there kick you back and watch the birds them, I swear.
You couldn't choose to step on the hillside, but you chose the beachfront.
Yeah, man, like beach, watch all the pool there same way, you see me? So we look on the pool and we look on the sea. And we just go on easy.
Peaceful
and I listen to some different type of language. You see me?
Peaceful
yeah,
vibes.
Man, mad thing.
In the realest way.
Chilando.
Yeah, so accurate.
Yeah, man, studio life, not easy, you see me? Yeah, man, but we have to get the work done. Yeah, man, you hear that, Justin Blake? Mad thing.
Real friend are gone favors. So why you are gone favors? Everything you do for me, you write it down, then you take it and tell strangers. Yeah, real friend are gone favors. So why you are gone favors? Everything you do for me, you write it down, then you take it and tell strangers.
Give me it from this one. Yo, waiting. Them do things we have things to talk. Some wine like me now go give them no chance. My food fresh, me no make me sad.
Be a character here, though. Well played.
You don't know. You heard it first right here on the Justin Blake channel.
Up there, sir.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel.
Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.